Alright, just wrapped up at work. A little bit of a late start. Yeah, I'm gonna get the drop spindles done, so, and the brakes. So I just went ahead and took the cap off. I'm gonna chuck the wheel and go ahead and break loose the hub bolt. Alright, so took out the bearing, the washer. So up next is taking off the bolts here for the brake caliper. Alright, so 2 out of the 3 bolts are off. Right, as you can see, this is off, so I just have to get one more. Alright, so what I have to do now is I have to grind these down. So this here will hit the rotor, so I'm going to bring it down probably. Alright, so quick update. Cleaned this up quite a bit. Waiting for the shocks to get here. Calipers are in. And there she is, all assembled. New KYB shocks. Alright, so this side is done. Replacing those shocks that beat to hell. I could actually hear them as I was lifting. I'm gonna go. Alright, and just like that, the shocks are replaced. It has that 19mm bolt and 19mm nut and bolt on the bottom. And that's pretty much it. There you have it. So gave her a little bit of an altitude adjustment, and she's definitely it's hard to tell because we're on a hill here, but I think she actually, to me, she looks level. If I measure there and there, she looks level to me, and I think that's as low as I'm gonna go. I don't have any intentions of going any lower than that in the back. Right, so as you may know or may not know, this is my inspiration right here. Say hi, baby. So she's the reason, one of the kind of deciding factors as to why I bought this Volkswagen bus. She basically said she really likes it. She can see herself driving one day. So that's how it finally became a family project. So we're gonna take it for a quick little drive. Outside of gear once in a while, but I think it's because there's so much slop on the shifter.